Hi guys, greetings. Welcome to Khan's Econ Nugget channel. Now I'm going to show how to transform demand equation and supply equation. As students of principles of economics, at one point in time or other, you will realize that you need to transform an equation. Uh, what do I mean by saying that you need to transform an equation? What I'm trying to mean here is that at one point at your principles of economic studies, you will see that, let's say, there is a demand function given as quantity demanded, let's say, equals 100 minus, let's say, 10p. And you may need to transform it to show as price as a function of quantity demanded. So in order to transform this equation in the form of price as a function of quantity demanded, let's bring the element that's attached with the price variable on the left hand side. So when we switch the side of an element, it changes its sign. So it's negative 10p now is becoming positive 10p equals QD was on this side anyway, right? I mean, 100 is didn't change the side, so it stays as it is. But now the QD element, which was positive on this side, now it is coming to join the side where the 100 is there. So it's flipping side, therefore it will change its sign. It will assume a negative sign now. So it's negative QD. So then remember, our goal is to express this equation as price as a function of quantity. So P equals, now the whole right hand side element becomes numerator divided by 10, because 10 was multiplied with the left hand side. Now it is becoming the divisor of the right hand side. So now this 10 is here. So then when you simplify this, we get price equals 10 minus 0.1 QD. So we are presented with an equation where quantity was a function of price. Now we transformed it into price as a function of quantity demanded, holding the other properties of the equation intact, right? Now let's see. Similarly, we can also do, let's say, a supply equation. So if the given supply function is quantity supplied equals, let's say, 20p, that's a supply equation. We're transforming it and expressing it in the form of price as a function of quantity, right? So then basically we write the same thing as follows: 20p equals QS. It's just rewriting it, and because we ultimately need it as an expression price as a function of quantity supplied, so now we have to bring this QS will be divided by 20. So we know that QS divided by 20 will be basically 0.5 QS. So again, here what we saw is that we're presented with an supply equation in the form of quantity supplied being a function of price. We transformed it into price as a function of quantity supplied, while maintaining all the other properties of the equation intact. So these are just quick to work out of how we can transform a demand equation or supply equation. Please let me know if you have any question or any comments in the comment box. Thank you so much.